Hello students. So your wait is over now. The lecture for chapter 1, The Living World of class 11 is here. So let's start. What is living world? The living world is the world where we living organisms live and interact with our physical environments. This is living world is wonderful, and in this wonderful living world there live a wide range of living types. Wide range of living types because as we can see there is variations in the living organisms present in this environment or in this world. For example, we see as we see human being, we see plants, or we can see there is unicellular organism or multicellular. We can classify also prokaryotes and eukaryotes, coelomates, non-coelomates. So these are the variations. So all these living types are found in different habitats. We can see habitats in two ways. We can classify habitats in two categories: ordinary habitats and extraordinary habitats. What is extraordinary habitat? So this classification is on the basis of our convenience. Where we can live is the ordinary habitat, where we cannot survive is extraordinary habitat. Extraordinary habitats leaves us speechless. For example, cold mountains, deciduous forests, oceans, freshwater lakes, deserts, and hot springs. These are some of the places where we human being cannot imagine to live or survive there. Some things create deep sense of wonder and awe, just like the beauty of galloping horses, migrating birds. Do you have imagined how migrating birds know where to go to survive, to increase their survival advantages? They just fly high and they come to another place to increase their survival advantage. This creates deep sense of wonder. Value of flowers and attacking shark. Ecological conflict and cooperation among members of population and among the population of a community, and molecular traffic inside a cell. This conflict and cooperation, what do you understand by this conflict and cooperation among members of population? Like you can understand in this way: conflict, like predation, lions predating on the deer, and parasitism like lice on human, antiques on dogs. And cooperation, for example, mutualism. Lichen is the best example where fungi and alga by their mutual relationship live in this environment. And one more example of mutualism is mycorrhiza, where fungi live in mutualism with the higher plants. This conflicts and cooperations and molecular traffic inside cells makes us deeply reflect on what indeed is life. So, what is life? There are two answers. First is the technical one, and the second is the philosophical one. Technical one seek answer to what living is as compared to non-living. Second is philosophical one, which seek answer to what the purpose of life is. So, being scientist or being a science student, we will focus on the technical one, the first reason. What is life? Living. What is living? So, we'll see the characteristic features of living being: the growth, reproduction, the process where living organism produces their young one, ability to sense environment and mount a suitable response. This is actually consciousness. Metabolism is the internal biochemical reactions taking place in presence of enzyme biocatalyst. Ability to self-replicate, self-organize, and interact with their physical environment. So among these characteristic features, some features are defining features and some are characteristic features. So in the next lecture, we'll study features which are defining and which are characteristic for a living organism. Thank you.